Hello and welcome to the Traders in the Know channel. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Leave comments below. As you can see from the thumbnail, we asked, did Trump back down? U.S. stocks surged Wednesday as global markets rallied and President Trump eased his criticism of the Federal Reserve and trade rhetoric. The S&P 500 rose 7%. The Dow gained 419 points, 1.1%, and the Nasdaq jumped 2.5%. Markets were buoyed by Trump's statement that he has no intention to fire Fed Chair Jerome Powell, despite previous harsh remarks. Trump's tough talk had frightened investors because the Fed is supposed to act independently, without pressure from politicians, so that it can make decisions that may be painful in the short term, but are best for the long term. The rebound follows volatile swings earlier in the week and reflects ongoing investor uncertainty over Trump's economic policies. Markets also rose after Trump said late Tuesday that U.S. tariffs on imports coming from China could come down substantially from the current 145%. It won't be that high, not going to be that high, Trump said. The hope along Wall Street has been that Trump would lower his tariffs after negotiating trade deals with other countries. And Trump said Tuesday he would be very nice to the world's second largest economy and not play hardball with Chinese President Xi Jinping.
But have negotiations started with China?
I'm not going to say. No, I'm not going to mention COVID. I'm not going to say, I'm going to play hardball with China. I'm going to play hardball with you, President Xi. No. We're going to be very nice. They're going to be very nice. And we'll see what happens. But ultimately, they have to make a deal because otherwise they're not going to be able to deal in the United States. And we want them involved. But they have to, and other countries have to make a deal. And if they don't make a deal, we'll set the deal. Because we're the ones that set the deal. Scott and Howard and myself and others, we're going to be setting the deal. And it'll be a fair deal for everybody. And it'll be, I think it's a process that's going to go pretty quickly. China was taking us for a ride and just not going to have, it's not going to happen. We're going to be very good to China, have a great relationship with President Xi, but they would make billions and billions and billions of dollars a year, and they would build their military out of the United States and what they made, so that won't happen. But they're going to do very well, and I think they're going to be happy, and I think we're going to live together very happily and ideally work together. So I think it's going to work out very well.
Leave your comments below. Investors believe a recession might be avoided if Trump eases tariffs, but U.S. businesses are already feeling trade war effects. Business activity hit a 16-month low, with rising prices linked to tariff concerns, according to an S&P Global survey. Market volatility remains high, driven largely by Trump's unpredictable trade decisions. The S&P 500 is still 5% below its record and has seen sharp, frequent swings. On Wednesday, it rose 3% in the morning before losing more than half those gains by day's end, reflecting ongoing investor uncertainty over trade policy. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell for future videos. Don't forget to leave your comments below. And remember our motto, whether in business or finance, protect yourself at all times.